Welcome to Viking Tools for Revit. In this short video, we'll look at dry barrel sprinkler head guards. How do we turn those on so that they get counted properly in a project? In this simple layout, I have two rows of ESFR dry pendant sprinklers. One row will have head guards, and we need a way to separate them in the legend so that they get counted properly. In the dry barrel sprinkler family, we have an option to turn on the head guard. In the second row of sprinklers, I will choose the head guard option in the construction section of the family properties. Once I select the heads, I check the box, and those heads will now have the head guard turned on. In a 3D view, we can see that those head guards have been turned on for the selected four heads. Next, we go to the Symbol Manager application and select Create a Legend and see that there are 8 dry VK502 sprinklers in this little project. From there, we'll select Create a Legend. That will create a legend for us in the Schedule section of the properties. Look for the head guard in the available fields and add it to the scheduled fields. Next, we modify the filter and sorting so that the list will be separated properly. Next, select the filter and select the head guard from the drop-down list. Next, we will select Sort and see that we are sorting by type, orientation, and then we need to add the head guard to the sorted list. Notice that the legend has been updated into 2 rows, with 4 showing the sprinklers with guards and 4 without. Return to the sheet that we created, and we'll drag this new schedule onto the sheet for further editing. Once you have it in your sheet, just stretch out the columns as desired. Move it into place, and you have your completed legend, sprinkler head legend for these dry pendant sprinklers. You can check out some of our other videos. We do have one that describes further editing and copying of the sprinkler head legend in much more detail. This was just a quick overview of how to turn on a head guard in the dry pendant sprinkler or dry barrel sprinklers. Thanks for watching.